In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find new users on Google Analytics. Whether you're a business owner looking to better understand your audience or a marketing specialist aiming to refine your strategy, knowing how to track new users is essential. So let's dive into each step and make sure you're set up for success. First, we'll begin by heading over to Google's Analytics Tools and Solutions webpage. This is where you can access the plethora of resources and capabilities Google Analytics offers to empower your business with data insights. Opening this page is straightforward, so navigate to your browser and type in the Google Analytics URL or search Analytics Tools and Solutions for your business. Once you're on the Analytics homepage, the next step is to sign in. You'll see the option to sign into Analytics, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your Google account details. Make sure you're using the correct email associated with your Google Analytics account to avoid any confusion later on. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Google Analytics home. This page serves as your dashboard and is your central hub for all things analytics. Spend a moment getting familiar with this interface if it's your first time. Understanding what's where will make your navigation smoother and this experience more effective. Now we need to access the settings. This is integral because your settings menu houses the configuration options you need to tailor your account and reports to match your objectives. Look for the settings cog or link, often situated towards the bottom left section of your screen, and click on it. With your settings open, we'll move to the acquisition section. This section is where Google Analytics categorizes and presents the data about how you acquire new users. It enables you to track the performance of your acquisition efforts and understand which channels are driving new users to your site. Click on the acquisition tab to proceed further. Once you are in the acquisition section, the final place you need to visit is user acquisition. This subsection offers a detailed look at the behavior of new users visiting your site. By selecting user acquisition, you're offered a wealth of data that illustrates how your new users are finding you, whether through search engines, social media, direct visits, or referrals from other sites. And there you have it, a comprehensive path to finding new users on Google Analytics, tailored for your exploration and analysis needs. With these insights, you're now better equipped to strategize and tweak your online presence. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this walkthrough enhances your data-driven decision making with Google Analytics.